Hey guys, welcome to Daily Commitment Rain Edition. It's raining on me right now. I gotta do these pull-ups. This tree's gonna be wet, okay? We're just gonna see if we can go do one. No kicks, no cheating. One good pull-up in the rain. We're gonna see, and then we'll see how much the rain's messing up this recording. But we're gonna go because that's what we do, guys. So let's go. Do it every day. Here we go. Right now. Boom. Thank you to Bookie Cuss, by the way. Here we go, guys. All right. For 3, 1, 2. All right, we crushed that. We crushed that, guys. I did lift my legs a little bit, but that was awesome. Let's do it again. Ready, guys? Now, I didn't rest as long in between my set there, and you can see I had to like kick a little bit to get up there, so not as good. What are we getting, a fog on the camera? What is that, rain fog that you guys are getting? Wetness, the camera's getting wet as we do this. All right, we got to do a couple more pull-ups. We got to do some letdowns. Let's do one more pull-up quick, then we're going to do some letdowns, okay? Before we break our phone here in the rain. It's got an otter box, so I think we're going to make it, but it's going to be interesting. All right. That was only okay, but we'll take it. Let's do some quick letdowns, guys. We need to get in some rain. We're gonna jump up. That was a good letdown. It's raining harder. We're going to do one more. And we got to stop, guys. We got to stop. We're going to lose our camera. Who knows what's going to happen. We'll see you guys next time. Subscribe. There's a button up there. Have a good one, guys.